Hey, good morning. It's Steve on a cold, rainy day, stuck in the shed. Man, I want to show you there's an issue with this generator. It's my fault. I created it. I'm not complaining about this generator. It's good. It's my second one. The other one's still doing fine. I just liked it so much I bought another one. My dad has the other one. But I want to show you something. This portion of the generator is not working. It still puts out power and everything, but there's no display here. We're going to fix that today. Let me show you what's going on. I'm going to start it up. Open up the old gas bottle here. Give it a couple pumps. It's usually 2 pulls of the cord. Everything is fine except I have no display up here. Let's tear this thing apart and I'll show you why that display isn't working. First thing you got to do is remove, there's 8 screws in this front cover that you need to remove. The 2 at the bottom, the 2 immediately above it, the 2 in the center of the display panel itself, and then 2 of them behind the handle. They're all the exact same length. If you get one that's a little too short, you got the wrong screws. They're only there to hold this into this piece of plastic. And then, mess around a little bit and get old dude to come out of here. This right here is this voltage regulating rectifier, and this fuse is blown. That's why the display don't work. There's 2 connectors coming off of it right here. This is the big wires. The other one, this one here, has a fuse in it down inside there. Let's go get him. And this is one of them moments where you're going to have to get a little bit creative. It's going to help because there's no way I can get down in there. So I'm going to remove this plug first. It has a clip underneath of it that's catching it. So come on, dude. Get that dude out of the way so you can get your hand all the way down inside of here. Use this finger to pop him right off the circuit board he's plugged into. It's a second connector down of this same size. If you don't want to dismantle this whole machine, this is the best way I have found to do this. Come up there, little fella. Let me get that off of there. Success. I was trying to open that dude up and pluck him off of there. But you can't just turn the top part of this because this whole thing is rotating when you're trying to unscrew it. These 2 halves are threaded together. There's a fuse in here and it's blown. Let's dig him out of there, check him on the meter, and then replace him. Yep, there you go. It's a 2 amp fuse, 500 volts, and sure enough the old guy's opened up. Let's stick a new one in it and start the generator back up. Plugging that thing back in is going to be quite a thrill as well. You see that little connector down there with the blue and purple wire? This thing plugs in directly below it, oriented just like that one. It's got to go in there, rotated like this. Get out of the way, cord. Like this. Plug it in like that underneath of that connector. You might want to get this little dude out of the way as well. This guy right here. Be careful, don't be bending everything up on the back of this inverter. Alright, good luck. I'll let you know what's going on in a couple minutes. Man, I got old dude back in there. Honestly, it took about, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. I took the covers off the side. I tried to attack that thing a different way, and just be patient. You can do it. Got to manipulate your hands in a whole bunch of different ways, but you'll get it back down in there. Get that fuse replaced on this voltage rectifier right here, regulating rectifier. And let's start old guy up. I'll put all them screws back in it. Alright, I got the old dude put back together. Let's give him a couple of those. A couple of these. Look like with the fuse good. Alright, I hope that helps some of you out there if you have one of these generators and your little display isn't working. Check out that fuse. I bet it's the reason yours is blown or doesn't display. I know I got no issues with this little fella. He's doing a good job. Alright, thanks for hanging out with me this morning. Give me somebody to talk to. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm going.